Class students, today very important chapter electricity I am explaining you. First, what is electricity? Electricity is nothing but flow of charge. Flow of charge is known as electricity. Electricity symbol is Q and unit is Coulomb. Coulomb symbol is C. SI unit is Coulomb. We have small unit micro Coulomb, which is 10 power minus 6 coulombs. 10 power minus 6 coulombs. Next definition, electric current. Electric current quantity symbol is I. Definition is flow of charge per unit time. Per unit time is known as electric current. Electric current formula charge by time Q by T. Q unit charge unit coulomb, time unit second, coulomb per second. Coulomb per second also named as ampere. Therefore, SI unit is ampere. Now we know I is equal to Q by T. We can define ampere or 1 ampere. 1 ampere is nothing but 1 coulomb by 1 second. 1 coulomb by 1 second is nothing but 1 ampere. 1 ampere. We can write in statement, if 1 coulomb charge moving in 1 second, then the current is 1 ampere. Current passed in the conductor is 1 ampere. Next one, electric potential. Next definition, important term, electric potential, symbol is V. It is the work done to bring 1 coulomb positive charge, 1 coulomb positive charge from infinity distance to a point. It is the work done to bring 1 coulomb charge from infinity distance to a point. That means 1 unit positive charge brought from infinity distance to suppose point A. Now at point A, you can say it is electric potential. The work done is electric potential. Formula V is equal to W by Q. Unit for electric potential is W joules, Q for charge, coulomb. Work done is joule, charge is coulomb. Joule per coulomb, or another unit, SI unit is volt. Okay. Now the SI unit of potential is volt. We can define volt from this formula. Say 1 joule work is done to bring 1 unit positive charge, then the potential is 1 volt. If 1 joule work done to bring 1 coulomb positive charge from infinity distance to a point, then the potential at that point is 1 volt. 1 volt. That means 1 volt is nothing but 1 joule by 1 coulomb. 1 joule by 1 coulomb is known as 1 volt. Now potential difference. Potential difference, quantity symbol also V. Same definition, just like potential only. It is also work done to bring 1 unit positive charge from one point to other point. Suppose let point A, point B. Previously potential means from infinity distance to a point. Here potential difference means from one point to other point. If you are bringing a 1 unit positive charge, how much work is done? That is known as potential difference, right? Work done to bring 1 coulomb positive charge from one point to other point. One point to other point is known as potential difference between those points. Between those points. Formula V is equal to W by Q. Same. Unit same, volt only. Unit is also same. Okay. Now resistance. Resistance